Merry Christmas per Armenian Apostolic Church calendar. If you ask me questions about Armenian Apostolic Church, I will answer as a general person, and I know a little bit, the tree of churches, but I will probably ask my sister who knows more. She took classes, I believe, in seminary. Or I might ask my godfather, who also did studies in religious studies, or send it to the priest. But I just want to share with you my joy of today, because we celebrate in our Armenian church the birth of Savior. In a Catholic church, it is celebrated December 25, but January 6 is for the Armenian church, and I'm so grateful for this gift of God, this good message that I also share with you, the celebration about God our Savior. And in the Armenian church, I used to sing in a choir, and I want to share with you 2-3 songs, and I will put the words I found on the website in a description. So let's start. We'll see how much we get. Surp Աստված, Surp Աստված, Surp եւ հզոր, Surp եւ անմար, որ հարյարի մերելոց, ողորմյա մեզ. Surp Աստված, Surp եւ հզոր, Surp եւ անմար, որ հարյարի մերելոց, ողորմյա մեզ. Surp Աստված, Surp եւ հզոր, Surp եւ անմար, որ հարյարի մերելոց, ողորմյա մեզ. And then another one, let's see. Քրիստոսի մեջ մեր հայտնեցավ, որեն Աստված բազմեցավ, խաղաղության ձայն հնչեցավ, Սուրբ ողջույնի հրաման տվավ, եկեղեցիս մի անցն եղավ, համբույրս հոտ լրման տվավ, թշնամությունն հեռացավ,